Welcome. Today, we unmask the mystery of passive income. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is passive income? Well, let's break it down. Passive income is money you earn that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Some people like to think of it as making money while you sleep. But it's important to note that passive income doesn't mean quick wealth. Instead, it's about building wealth slowly, steadily, and most importantly, smartly. So how does it work? Imagine you plant a tree. At first, you need to water it, care for it, and protect it. It's a lot of work, right? But as the tree grows, it becomes sturdy and needs less of your time. Eventually, it starts bearing fruit. Now, you're reaping rewards with minimal effort. That's passive income in a nutshell. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and grows bigger. The same goes for passive income. The initial effort might be significant, but with time, your income stream can grow without constant effort. Now, it's crucial to remember that creating passive income requires upfront work, investment, or both. There's no free lunch here. But once you've done the initial work, the idea is to set up a stream of income that continues to earn for you, even when you're not actively working on it. But why should you care about passive income? Well, it can provide you with financial security and flexibility. It can help you earn more, save more, and even retire earlier. It's like having an extra paycheck without the extra hours at work. In essence, passive income is about leveraging your resources efficiently. It's about making your money, time, and skills work for you, instead of you working for them. It's about creating a sustainable income stream that can help you achieve your financial goals. Now that we've defined passive income, let's dive into the 10 ways you can create it. First up on our list is investing in stocks. Now, you might be asking, what exactly are stocks? Simply put, stocks represent ownership in a company. When you purchase stocks, you're buying a piece of that company's success. One of the beautiful things about owning stocks is the potential for dividends. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings that is paid out to shareholders. That's you. So let's say you own stocks in a popular tech company. This company has had a successful quarter and decides to share its profits with its shareholders. This payout, my friends, is your dividend. It's like a thank you note for your trust in the company, but instead of words, it's money. Now, it's crucial to remember that the stock market can be volatile. The value of stocks can go up and down. However, dividends can provide a steady stream of income even when the market is turbulent. While stocks can fluctuate in value, dividends can provide a steady income stream. Second, consider real estate investments. Picture this. You've just purchased a charming 2-bedroom bungalow. Instead of selling it right away, you decide to rent it out. Each month, like clockwork, your tenants send you a check. This is what we call earning a steady income through rental properties. Now, let's delve into a bit more detail. Say, for instance, you're charging your tenants $1,500 per month. After you've subtracted your expenses, such as mortgage, insurance, and maintenance costs, you might be left with, say, $500. That's $500 in your pocket every month without lifting a finger. It's important to note that successful real estate investing requires careful planning and a bit of patience. There might be some months where unexpected expenses crop up, or you may have to deal with vacancies. But with the right approach, real estate can provide a consistent, reliable source of passive income. Third, we have peer-to-peer lending. Now, this is an interesting approach to generating passive income. Picture this. You're essentially acting as a virtual bank. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with non-institutional lenders, like you and me. People apply for loans, and we get to decide whether we want to fund them or not. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, it gets better. Each borrower pays back their loan over time with interest, and that interest becomes your income. It's like getting a cut of what banks make on loan interest without all the brick-and-mortar hassle. Just imagine, your money is out there, working for you even when you're sleeping. But before you dive in, remember, this isn't a risk-free game. Borrowers might default on their loans and you could lose your investment. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn passive income, but remember, all investments come with risks. Fourth, consider creating a blog or YouTube channel. A world of opportunities awaits you in the realm of content creation. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but with a little bit of persistence, creativity, and passion for your chosen topic, you can turn your ideas into a fruitful venture. Let's start with blogging. It's a fantastic way to express your thoughts, share your expertise, or chronicle your journey. But how does it generate passive income? Well, once you've built a substantial readership, you can monetize your blog in several ways. You can incorporate ads on your site, write sponsored posts, or even offer premium content for a small fee. The beauty of blogging is that your content, once published, can keep earning you money long after you've written it. Now let's talk about YouTube. Similar to blogging, creating a YouTube channel allows you to share your passion with the world. Whether you're into cooking, tech reviews, or travel vlogging, you can find an audience on this platform. YouTube allows creators to earn money through AdSense, which pays you for ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, you can also earn through sponsored videos. The key to success in both blogging and YouTube is consistency and quality. You need to create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. It might take some time to see significant earnings, but with patience and effort, it can become a substantial source of passive income. But remember, creating a blog or YouTube channel isn't just about making money. It's about sharing your passion, connecting with others who share your interests, and contributing to a community. The income is just a bonus that comes with the territory, so don't be afraid to take the plunge. Your unique voice and perspective are needed out there. Start brainstorming ideas, set up your platform, and begin sharing your passion with the world. With a successful blog or YouTube channel, you can earn money while you sleep. Fifth on our list is selling digital products. Now, what's the beauty of digital products? They're like the gift that keeps on giving. Once you've put in the initial effort to create them, they can continue to generate income over time without much additional work. Imagine writing an ebook or developing an online course. You're essentially packaging your knowledge into a product that can be sold over and over again. And the best part? There's no inventory to worry about, no shipping hassles. It's all done online, and automation makes it even easier. Digital downloads like graphic designs, templates, or music files are also a great way to monetize your skills. The internet has made it easier than ever to share and sell these creations to a global market. The bottom line? Your creativity, expertise, and digital tools can become your very own money-making machine. Once created, digital products can be a source of ongoing passive income. Sixth, we have affiliate marketing. Now imagine this. You're a proud owner of a platform, be it a blog, a YouTube channel, or a large social media following. You've worked hard to cultivate an audience that trusts your recommendations. Wouldn't it be great if you could monetize this trust and following? Well, that's exactly what affiliate marketing allows you to do. In the simplest of terms, affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products on your platform. Each time a visitor clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of this model is that it's a win-win for both parties. The company gets valuable exposure and potentially increased sales, while you get to earn passive income without having to create a product of your own. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable way to earn passive income if you have a platform and audience. Seventh, consider renting out a room on Airbnb. If you've got an extra room gathering dust or a vacation home that's sitting idle, it's time to put them to work. Airbnb allows you to list these spaces for rent, providing a platform for travelers seeking unique, homely accommodations. Let's break it down. First, you set up a profile on Airbnb. You'll describe your space, set the price, and establish house rules. Next, you'll upload photos to showcase your space. Remember, the more appealing and accurate your listing, the more likely you are to attract bookings. Once your space is booked, you provide the guest with a clean, well-maintained room or home. In return, you receive payment, minus a small percentage that goes to Airbnb. Keep in mind the frequency of bookings can fluctuate, but with good management and a desirable location, this can be a reliable source of extra income. Airbnb can turn your extra space into a source of passive income. Eighth, you might consider creating an app. Now, this is a path that's been trodden by many with varying degrees of success. But don't let that deter you, because the potential for passive income is substantial. The digital world is constantly evolving, and people are always on the lookout for the next great app. Maybe it's a fun game, a helpful productivity tool, or an innovative social media platform. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Once your app is developed and launched, it can continue to generate income without you having to lift a finger. So how do you monetize an app? There are a few ways. One common method is through advertisements. By partnering with ad networks, you can earn revenue each time an ad is displayed within your app. This is often calculated on a cost per impression or cost per click basis. Another option is in-app purchases. This could involve selling virtual goods within a game or offering premium features for a fee. Users get to enjoy the basic functionality of your app for free. But if they want to enhance their experience, they have the option to pay for extras. Creating an app does require some technical know-how. But don't worry if you're not a coding wizard. There are numerous platforms and services out there that can help you build an app, even if you're starting from scratch. And if you have a truly unique idea, you might even consider partnering with a developer who can bring your vision to life. Remember, creating an app is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. But once your app is up and running and people start downloading and using it, you'll begin to see the fruits of your labor. And so, we venture into the world of apps. A world that is full of potential for those willing to dive in and explore. A world where creativity meets technology and where a simple idea can transform into a steady source of passive income. Creating an app requires some upfront work, but it can provide a steady income stream once it's up and running. Ninth, consider dropshipping. Now, what exactly is dropshipping? It's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The biggest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model? The seller doesn't stock or own inventory. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. This model can significantly cut down on the upfront costs of starting an online store. No need to invest thousands in inventory. Instead, you simply add the products to your online storefront and focus on marketing and customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's accessible to anyone with a computer and internet connection. So, if you have the drive and motivation to start a business, dropshipping could be your ticket to passive income. Dropshipping can be a profitable way to earn passive income with minimal upfront investment. Lastly, 10th, we have dividend investing. Now, this is a beautiful way to make your money work for you. You see, when you purchase shares in a company that pays dividends, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. And as the company makes profit, they share a portion of that profit with their shareholders. That's you. This is called a dividend. These dividends provide a steady stream of income, which can be quite rewarding. The best part is, you don't have to do anything but hold on to those shares. Some companies even offer the option of reinvesting your dividends, buying more shares, and thus increasing your future dividends. Just remember, it's important to choose wisely. Look for companies with a history of stable dividend payouts. It's like planting a tree. You nurture it initially, and then sit under its shade, reaping the benefits for years to come. Dividend investing can be a great way to earn passive income and grow your wealth over time. We've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We've ventured into the realm of passive income and discovered 10 simple ways to create it. We started with investing in stocks, a classic approach to passive income. Remember, it's all about buying shares of a company and profiting from its success. Next, we talked about real estate investments. Buying properties and renting them out can provide a steady stream of income. It's like having tenants pay your mortgage. Then, we dove into peer-to-peer lending. By lending money to individuals or small businesses online, you can earn interest over time. We also discussed creating a blog or YouTube channel. By sharing your knowledge or passion, you can generate ad revenue and even attract sponsorships. Selling digital products was another avenue we explored. Whether it's an ebook, a course, or a piece of software, your product can earn money while you sleep. We then ventured into the world of affiliate marketing. By recommending products and earning a commission on sales, you can create a revenue stream. Renting out a room on Airbnb also made our list. If you have spare space, why not make it work for you? Creating an app was another method we discussed. If you can solve a problem or entertain people with an app, the income can be impressive. Dropshipping also made an appearance. By selling products without handling inventory, you can run a business with minimal overhead. Last but not least, we talked about dividend investing. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a regular income. These are just 10 ways to create passive income. Each has its own benefits and challenges, but they all offer the potential for financial freedom. Remember, creating passive income takes time and effort, but the payoff can be well worth it. Until next time, happy earning.